My name is Tirushan Raj. My matrix card number is 15DET23F1050 Pw4 A Modification 3 P18F45 20.H. The microcontroller that we use. Define LED 0, LED 1 and LED 3. We use in port C as RC0, RC1 and RC2. Define PB0, PB1 and PB2. These are the push buttons that we use in port B. For RB0, RB1 and RB2, define IR sensor we use in port B as RB4. Pragma configuration OSC is equals to HS. Configuration WG3 equals to off. Configuration LVP equals to off. Configuration debug is equals to on. Configuration BBADN is off. Void main function. Trick B to set RB0, RB1 and RB2 and RB4 as input. Trick C we use for set all LED pins as output. Port B and port C as usual to clear data for port B and port C. INT configuration 2 bits point RBP is equals to 0 to enable port B pull-ups resistors. While loop equals to 1 if IR sensor equals to 0. If IR sensor detects an obstacle, the LED 0 will turn off, will remain off, LED 1 will remain off, and LED 2 will remain off. Else if push button 0 equals to 0, LED 1, LED 0 will on, LED 1 will off, LED 2 will off. Else if push button 1 equals to 0, LED 0 is 0, it will off, LED 1 will off, LED 2 will on. Else if push button 2 is equals to 0, so the LED 0 will remain off, LED 1 will on, LED 2 will off. Else LED 0 will 0, LED 1 will 0, LED 2 will 0 also, so the three LEDs will off as usual.
Okay, Pw4 modified 3. After we apply the coding, we will use 3 push buttons to LED to on. Push button 0, LED will on. Push button 1, LED will on. And push button 3, push button 2, LED will also on. And if the IR sensor detects something, the LED will start to off and the LED won't work. If IR sensor detects something, the LED all will turn off. That's all.